Okay, so I thought it'd be really cool to actually fire up all the cars in my shop today so you guys could hear the different sounds of each one of them. We got big block Chevys, we got diesels, we got Hemis, we got Detroits. It's gonna be fun. Okay, this is a 1931 Ford two-door sedan. It's got a 392 Hemi in it with a 471 blower and 2 Weber carburetors. All right, this is my Quit Your Bitchin'. It's got a 354 Hemi, 671 blower, 2 650 Holley carburetors, turbo 400 transmission. Sounds pretty good. Okay, this is my 1964 Ford Falcon. The cool thing about this car is it is a 427 side oiler, which is a very desirable Ford motor. Makes a ton of horsepower, lots of torque. It's got Algon mechanical fuel injection on it, so I have to prime it every time I go to fire it. This one is nasty. It's very nasty. This is the Joker. This is a 1930 5-window coupe with a stroked bored big block Chevy. It's got an 871 blower, a couple of big turbos on it, turbo 400 transmission. This one is probably one of the coolest sounding cars in the shop. I love it. this one doesn't make any noise. It's electric, so it's not even fun to start. It's a 31 Ford 5-window coupe. It's got a small block Chevy in it with 2 turbos. Runs really good. '55 Chevy. It's got a 500 cubic inch big block Chevy. Motor's built to the hilt. Got a 671 blower, 2 750 Holley carburetors on it. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission in it. And this thing sounds grumpy. '68 Dodge Charger. It's got a 5.9 Cummins diesel in it. It's got twin 671 superchargers and twin turbos on it. So this one, everybody thought was never going to run. It does run. It doesn't sound as cool as those gas motors, but it's pretty awesome to watch the chains run on the blower. So let's go check it out. Anyway, this is a 1928 Dodge. It's got a 5.9 Cummins in it. Got a couple of big old nasty turbos on it. Makes probably 120 pounds of boost, maybe 1,000 to 1,200 horse. And depending on how much nitrous I shove through it, the sky's the limit. This is probably the car that put me on the map. It's been a lot of fun, and I really enjoy driving this car. Okay, this is a 1958 Chevy Apache. It's got a 6V53 Detroit diesel in it. Sounds super cool. This is a 1955 Chevy, CTSV Cadillac motor in it. Pretty nasty. Sounds really good. It's awesome. Okay, and our special guest today here at WelderUp is a 39 Packard. Okay, this is a beautiful car, very expensive car back in 1939. This is a V12 car. This car actually, believe it or not, will do 70, 75, maybe 80 miles an hour down the highway. Gorgeous car. Let me see if I can fire this thing up. You can't even hardly hear it run. I have to say that this is probably, for sure, the quietest car in the shop. Come take a look at this. Can you see it all right? I mean, look at that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? V12, purring like a kitten. Sounds so balanced. It's amazing what they were doing 1939. But what a gorgeous car. I just thought it'd be really neat to show you this thing. That's cool. Here's our 1935 International School Bus. It's got a triple turboed Cummins diesel. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission in it, and this thing flies down the highway. This is a 1947 Federal. It's got a twin turbo 12 valve Cummins diesel in it. And it also has a compound set on the welder, okay? So we're gonna fire this thing up, hear them run, and it sounds pretty good actually. Okay, here's my 1994 379 Peterbilt with a 3406 cat motor in it. See if she'll fire up. Might have a dead battery too. There's just a few of our cars. I mean, there's a lot left, but there's just the ones that are sitting in the shop today. Hope you liked it.